In this video, you'll learn how to use Canva newsletters in Mailchimp. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to integrate your Canva designs into your Mailchimp campaigns. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser, and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, locate the Manage option on the left side of the dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Connected Sites. This action will direct you to the section where you can manage your integrations. After that, click on the View Dashboard button. This will take you to the integrations dashboard where you can see all connected applications. Look for the section that displays your current integrations with Canva. Once this appears, find the option labeled Review and Send. Click on this to proceed to the next step. This section is crucial as it prepares your email for final adjustments before sending. Following this, click on the highlighted area that indicates Design Email. This action will redirect you to the email design interface, allowing you to customize your newsletter further. Once you're in the design section, click on the Apply button. This confirms the changes you made previously and applies them to your email design. Wait for the system to process your request, which should only take a few moments. Now, click on an image within your email template. This action will allow you to replace or edit the existing image. A menu will appear with options to upload or select an image from your library. Next, click on Done to confirm your image selection. This step is essential to ensure that any changes you made are saved correctly. You may see a loading indicator as the system updates your email. After confirming the image, click on the Add button. This will open a menu where you can choose different content elements to include in your newsletter. Make sure to review the options available to enhance your design. Then select Add from Canva. This option will connect you to your Canva, allowing you to insert designs directly into your Mailchimp email. Wait for the Canva interface to load fully before proceeding. Once the Canva interface is visible, click on Canva to browse your designs. Here you can find various templates and graphics you've created previously. Take your time to locate the design you wish to use. Locate the specific newsletter template titled Brown and Green Modern Minimalist Eco-Friendly Office Newsletter. Click on it to select this particular design for your email. Next, click on Sync and Insert. This action will transfer your selected design into your Mailchimp email template. A confirmation message may appear once the sync is complete. Finally, click on Sync Now to finalize the integration of your Canva newsletter into Mailchimp. This step ensures that all elements are correctly aligned and ready for distribution. Wait for any processing indicators to confirm the action has been completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.